Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I would like to share with you my new pattern with beads. This is amazing core that can be perfect to create jewelry or edging, trim, belt or necklace. You can use any size of beads or seed beads. Here how it looks on my hand. It is very easy to make and it can be crocheted, even beginners. This is one side. Let's look at another one. Don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. And please write comment below the video what you will get. For this project I'm using crochet hook 3mm, beads, a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, $100 in 100 grams, and of course before the work I threaded beads onto the working yarn. Let's begin the work. For this I make a chain. Well done. Then chain more. Then I'm going to work with beads. So I draw my beads. I count 3 beads. So yarn over and make a chain with 3 beads, like this. I turn my beads and chain more. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the first stitch and make 6 strings into this first chain stitch. At the beginning it can be not so comfortable, so it's okay. And let's count my strings. 1. I hold all loops with my finger. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same chain stitch, pull up a loop. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I hold all loops with my finger. All strings should be the same. Pull a little bit. I draw 1 bead. Then I am going to complete my puff stitch. Yarn over the hook and pull through all loops on the hook, like this. Make a chain and make a chain to complete the puff stitch. My puff stitch with beads made of 6 strings is ready. Here what I have. So then I repeat one more time to understand clearly. Make a chain for the next stitch, then draw 3 beads. Make a chain with 3 beads. Yarn over the hook and make a chain with 3 beads, as I said before. And here how it looks. I turn my chain with 3 beads, then chain more without beads. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the this chain, pull up a loop to the level of the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then draw one bead. Then yarn over the hook, pull through all loops on the hook. I hold all loops with my finger, pull through, and make a chain. And my puff stitch is ready. My second segment is ready. Here how it looks. Let's repeat one more time. Make a chain, then chain with 3 beads, draw 3 beads and make a chain with 3 beads. And let's crochet the puff stitch. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain, pull up a loop 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I hold all loops with my finger, then draw a bead. Yarn over the hook with bead and pull through like this. And make a chain, and my puff stitch is ready. So you should crochet such stitch as many times as you need. It can be like an edging or trim, or it can be like separate stitch to create jewelry, like any ring. And after I have done the last puff stitch with beads, make a chain to secure the yarn, and I have already cut off the yarn, so my cord is ready. And I left the bigger piece of yarn to sew clasps or button to create jewelry. I remind you, for this project I used 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 100 meters in 100 grams, 3 millimeters crochet hook and beads. All details about the tools can be found in the description below the video. It was Elena Rugal. Thank you so much for watching. Crochet with me and learn more. Also, I have got a huge playlist where you can find a lot of motifs, jewelry made with seed beads and beads. Please visit my YouTube channel. As you notice, for this cord you don't need special skills, so you can crochet it easily. For this project I used white beads, but you can use different colors of beads, so it looks so funny. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video tutorials. Bye!